Here in the Maxville School District, we are going to focus on the impact that our words can have. Here is a presentation on what using people first language is. So first, what is it? People first language is when you're talking to or about someone, you're putting the person before their disability or other quality. You're acknowledging the person before anything else. You're describing what a person has, not who a person is, as their disability does not define them. Some non-examples that you may have heard before when referring to a student. The autistic student, the crippled student. She is a special ed student. The disabled students. She can't walk. So instead of using those phrases, here are some ways we can improve our language. Instead of saying the autistic student, you could say student with autism. Instead of the crippled student, you could say student with a physical disability. Instead of she is a special ed student, she receives special ed services. Instead of the disabled students, students with disabilities. Instead of she can't walk, you could say she uses a wheelchair. When you're talking, please use positive descriptors. Don't suggest a lack of something just because of their disability doesn't mean it has to be a lack of something. Avoid negative stereotypes. Don't use offensive language. And don't start phrases with the word the. A quote by Mark Twain that I thought went great with this: the difference between the right word and the almost right word is the difference between lightning and the lightning bug. This is something we need to consider when we're choosing our words. And here is a list of the references that I used to create this presentation. Thanks for watching.